Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. We're going to take a look at the Midwest remote rinse module today. We just installed one inside a box truck that we finished up. We've got this rinse system connected to the hydro mixer that is paired with the P40 soft wash pump that we have below. It's an electric start system, so whenever we have that electric start, we connect the remote to the battery that's with the electric start. So the engine powers that battery, and then we're able to run that remote off that battery. So we put a switch on there so that we can turn on and off this system so that it's not drawing power constantly and then killing the battery if it sits over the weekend. So that remote, or that switch is already turned on. So we'll kind of go ahead and just show you how to use this system. It's pretty easy. To explain it, we've got our electronic three-way valve that is paired to the bleach line on the proportioner or mixer system itself. And then we have a two-way valve that is paired to the surfactant valve. So you can see we've got these real small 1/4-inch surfactant lines, and we've got our larger bleach lines here. The line on this side is a water rinse line. So that's when it's basically switching from bleach draw over to your water draw. So I'll go ahead and hit the button. The light will turn on. That's when you know you're drawing chemical. So when it's in this position, it's pulling bleach, it's pulling your surfactant to whatever ratios you have set up over here. And then as soon as you hit the button, you just hit off. It turns off your surfactant draw, and it basically switches your bleach draw over to water. So you're still getting full flow through your bleach line and full flow through your water line in order to rinse everything out, whether you're just rinsing your system and your bleach valve to get all of that bleach out of the line, or if you want to apply water and rinse off the house, rinse off the roof, whatever you need to do with it. You can spray off plants to rinse everything. So whenever you do that, that's just how that whole system works. Just at the end of the day, just make sure you turn off that power switch over to the battery so it doesn't continually draw anything from your battery. But very easy to use, super convenient. It's great whenever you're on a roof and you want to switch from one to the other without having to walk back and forth, or if you're just on the other side of the house and you just don't want to do all those steps going back and forth. It's a big time saver. So if you have any questions on it, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.